Not all graffiti behaves the same. The paint or substance used is only half the story, as the surface or substrate the graffiti is applied to makes the removal process very different. Porous surfaces like brick, concrete and stone soak up colour fast, locking it deep inside. If you just blast it with a pressure washer or scrub too hard, you'll end up with a permanent halo or damage the surface. Textured render and coated metals need extra care too. The wrong cleaning solution can bruise paintwork or dull the finish. That's why our technicians start with careful identification of the surface type, paint chemistry and coating condition. Then they apply the right specialist graffiti cleaning solution to suit. Once the substance and colour releases, we finish the job using our custom-built pressure washing systems to deliver hot water under controlled pressure, restoring surfaces safely and evenly. If you've been hit with graffiti, don't risk DIY damage. Call the Graffiti Eaters today and we'll get it off.